If your shop floor is chasing 2026 demands but your ERP is stuck in 2019, you are leaking margin. Manual workarounds and disconnected systems are silent operational killers in the manufacturing space. There are easy solutions to those problems, and top manufacturers across the Middle East are leveling up their ERP game. By upgrading to Epicor Kinetic, they're slashing operational costs by up to 20% and unlocking an average 373% 3-year ROI. How? First, Kinetic bridges the gap between design and production. Engineers can create parts on the fly for custom jobs without cluttering the master registry, instantly updating active bills of materials. Second, built-in industrial AI automates tedious paperwork like supplier RFQs, while isolated machine scheduling lets you fix unexpected shop errors in real time without crashing the system. Finally, hybrid Kanban and advanced scheduling help you shift from rigid forecasting to a fluid, demand-driven flow, eliminating both stockouts and overproduction. It's time to start scaling your output. Let Bytiet and Epicor help you eliminate workarounds and capture true profitability.